right now we're going to look at AUD USD, and I haven't actually traded AUD USD in a very, very long time. However, I still have levels where if price gets to that level, I will be interested in the market and I will be interested in placing buys or sells. So we're just going to quickly do a market breakdown and understand exactly what price is doing and if we're going to place a buy or sell within this week or the next 2 weeks. So I like to do these type of videos where I'm breaking down the market for you lot and giving you lot support and resistant areas on areas where you should buy and sell, so that then if price does get to that point and I upload a video on I go on my Discord and talk about, I placed a buy, you have a video to back and understand why I placed that buy or why I placed that sell. So first of all, you can see that I have two monthly supports and two monthly resistance lined up, and this has actually been created around a month ago. So you can see that price has been respectful with my analysis, and it hasn't gone too crazy. Like in gold, you have crazy moves where it skips our monthly resistance and then just smashes through and just continues going to the downside or continue going to the upside, right? Well, in AUD USD, we've had a very, very controlled and a really nice market structure. Price has moved up to one level, moved down back to another level, then moved up to a level, and then moved back down to a level. And it's really, really simple, right? It's a really, really simple market structure. It's not too crazy. And we're talking about all the way back in November, right? These are priced all the way back in November. If we go on the 4-hour chart, you will see that price is very respectful with our levels. Now, if you haven't already, keep these levels in mind. The monthly support of 0.67250, the monthly support of 0.63, the monthly resistance of 0.715, and the monthly resistance 0.758. I know some of them are weird numbers, but they are very respectful. When you draw them out, you'll understand that they're very respectful for the whole of last year and probably this year as well. Of course, if price goes below this level, we will then add another support, and if price goes above this level, we would add another resistance. But price hasn't done these two in a very, very long time. It hasn't broken out these two levels in a very, very long time. So if price does break it, we know that we're definitely going to the upside. If price does break this, we know we're definitely going to the downside. But in between, we still want to place trades. So if we just look at the market quickly, we'll go on the 4-hour chart because we know the general direction. We're going up now. We're in some sort of retracement. Now, when it comes to retracement, I don't really like to still assume that as buyers, we're still going to go short-term sells, especially like over here, we had a selling opportunity here, we had a selling opportunity here. And of course, the way I trade, if I was to, sell, I'll wait for a retest. Let's say I sold over short position. Let's say I sold around, where's a nice, okay, like around here. Yeah, would I have priced probably above like these highs, like over here, this level right here. We know that price can still retest, but we're gonna go all the way down here to 200 pips. So we know we got 1 to 2 ratio. Obviously, price wouldn't be too high up, but I would, or we could put it above this high over here that we're looking at. Price did retest this area, almost retest this area, but you can see it still respects our analysis. But anyways, we can still place another sell over here. Price broke, went up, and broke again, went up, and then we could have placed a nice, lovely sell over here. So we can still place sells. We wouldn't just go buy over here, and because we would have been shorted out. Obviously over here, then I would have placed buys, but you can see that price did break structure. Obviously, if price didn't break structure, so like over here, price didn't go below this yet, I would be patient. I'll wait to see what price does. Because if price wanted to, it can, go to the upside over here. It could have just went up like this to the top, right? It could have done that. But then again, I don't want to risk that, especially if it's just like a double bottom. I don't want to risk that, especially when price is broken off these lows. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for price to do its thing. I'm going to wait till price breaks down again and then potentially placing a sell over here. But anyways, we are looking for sell. So what do I expect price to do now? We can see that it channeled really, really nicely from our monthly resistance to our 4-hour resistance to we're now on a monthly support. So that means if it breaks this, this support will turn into a resistance, and then we're aiming for this monthly support over here. So what we're looking for is simple market structure, breakout to an area, some sort of retracement, and then you know, going down to the support. So if we were looking at a chart, we would, let's say price goes over here, let's say price stops out around over here, this area, we can see that price retraces to our 50 extension, and then we drop down all the way to our minus 61 extension. Simple as that. Obviously price can do other things, it can go as low as here, and then it respects our 61. So if price drops down all the way over here, right, and again, this is just a prediction, and price can obviously respect our 61 extension as well. So it's always going to retest over here, and then we've got levels, we've got areas to see. So we're getting a general prediction. And again, if price decides to bounce, as right now, as we speak, it's Monday morning, and Monday afternoon actually, and price hasn't done a powerful drop yet. So again, price could easily just go up and then retest this support, then go up, right? We could do that. Of course, if it respects this resistance, it would stay over here. Again, if it wants, it can actually bounce off this, come down, and then go up. It can do a lot of things, but we're still being patient. We're still waiting for a retest at the support, right? This support, if you mark it on your charts, you'll see the support, this monthly support over here respects a huge time frame, all the way back in 2008, all the way back in 2012 and 2020, and then also now 2023, right? And also last year as well, we had really nice support. So I've actually checked through the years, and this support has still been the case. So it's very strong. So we are definitely going to see a retest. So all I'm doing is I'm waiting for a powerful move, and I know a lot of people are going to panic buy or panic sell, but what we do is wait for that move, and we wait for the retracement. We wait for price to retrace, and once it's retraced, that's when we want to decide to be in the market. That's the best time to be in the market. Again, there's no reason for anyone to be in a sell over here. There's no reason. You don't need, you can be in a sell over here, right? Yes, you would have been very early in the charts. You would have been in a very early trade. Yet price would have retested, would have given you another opportunity to sell over here again. You could have done 2 trades over here. But over here, I don't have enough reasonings for me to say, okay, price is definitely going down. It's more like a luck kind of based market. Obviously, price is below the moving average. Price is below my 4-hour resistance. It retested. Yes, we have every right to sell. However, we did have another opportunity here. So if you just be patient, you could have had another opportunity and you would have been in all buys, all profit, right? Over here again, we would have been in all profit, but price could have retested some sort of level. Again, AUD USD is actually very nice market structure. Again, if you're new to trading, I would look at this, and obviously USD JPY. USD JPY is very simple. For certain traders, I expect people to go for simple charts rather than gold or any indexes or any stocks. I'd rather you just go for nice simple currency pairs where they have really nice market structure, because you can easily just place buys and sells, and you actually start to learn, okay, this is what double top is, this is what double bottom is. Over here we had a double top, price was over here and then dropped, right? Obviously you could say it's a retest. Over here as well, we have a double top, price bounced twice over here in this area, but we have really nice and better double tops, like for example double bottoms over here. So we have really nice market structure. Again, if I was in, let's see if we want to see if we can see a move right now as we speak. Again, if price decides to break through this level, then we're definitely going to look for price to push down, retest. Again, it's really respecting our monthly support. Look at that. Really respecting our monthly support. So we're very confident that price break, retest. You might have missed a move over here, but it might do it again. Break, retest some sort of area. Might not be exactly the monthly support, but some sort of area. Again, if I wanted to place a sell right now, look how it respects our 61.8 extension, right? We did just miss a selling opportunity, but again, it's not a problem. You do this right here, put it above the 78.6 extension, because if it goes anything above that, we don't want to trade, we don't want to be in that trade. And look at that, we're expecting it to go all the way down here. Then again, it could retrace again, and then we're going to be looking for another move, right? So this is another trade. If you're not in this trade already, doesn't matter, be patient. Again, this is just me explaining to you what kind of trades I'll be looking for, okay? And that's it really, that's how simple the market is. So again, if you are interested in my market analysis, make sure you are on my Discord chat. Again, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you lot in the next breakdown.